So yeah, you gotta charge it up a little bit. We're gonna have to drill this brick right here.
Now connected to the Ring app.
Front door. Look how the camera look outside.
This is good.
Right. So you can go right across. See a lot all the way to the other fence. You take it off, right?
just
So you
take it
got
off.
this. Yeah, you got that.
For now. So here.
Yeah,
And
hook
then
it
put
first. Hook it first.
Okay, hook
Put
it.
the top first. And
Right.
that's it.
And then I'll take it off to charge and I'll put it back. Mr. Rowe?
And then assembly a 4-door pantry. A lot of pieces. Alright. So that's what we're looking at. A lot of storage. That's it. All right, that's about it. How you like it?